Guys, look. Garbage truck 27. This truck never came here before. It's garbage truck 27. Wow, I never seen this truck before. This is my first time seeing this truck in my neighborhood. Garbage truck 27. Oh, where's he going? He's going that way. Oh, they're picking up yard waste again. Garbage truck 27. It's picking up yard waste just like garbage truck 28. There he goes. There goes garbage truck 27. Hey. Sorry, just happened to me. Alright, so as you can see, garbage truck 27. This truck never came here before. A different garbage truck. Alright. Well, there he goes. Alright, hope you liked this video. I will continue making garbage truck videos like that garbage truck right there, garbage truck 27. Leave in my neighborhood. Alright. Peace out, y'all. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.